Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create abstract patterns in Adobe Illustrator using your existing artworks or images. This method is perfect if you want to turn any piece of art into a seamless pattern. To start, we need a right-angled triangle with 30, 60, and 90 degrees angles. Here's how to make it. Select the Polygon tool, click anywhere on the canvas, and set the number of sides to 3 to make an equilateral triangle. Now use the line segment tool, hold Shift, and draw a vertical line from the top anchor point straight down through the middle of the triangle. Select both the triangle and the line, then go to Window, Pathfinder, and click Divide. Right-click and choose Ungroup, or press Shift-Ctrl-G on Windows or Shift-Command-G on Mac. Now you have two perfect 30, 60, and 90 degrees triangles. Next, place one of these triangles on some part of your image or vector artwork. Select both the triangle and the artwork. Right-click and choose Make Clipping Mask. If your original artwork is vector-based and you want to remove the hidden mask parts permanently, go to Pathfinder, Crop. This only works on vector objects, not images or raster art. Now let's turn this triangle into a polygonal tiling unit. Right-click the triangle and choose Reflect. Select Angle and set it to 30 degrees, then click Copy. Select both triangles and group them. Now choose the Rotate tool, hold down Alt or Option on Mac to set the rotation point to the bottom corner. Set the rotation angle to 60 degrees, then click Copy. Repeat the action by pressing Ctrl-D a few times to complete the full polygon. Group the whole shape, and now it's ready to become a pattern. To create a pattern, select the polygon and go to Object, Pattern, Make. In the Pattern Options panel, change the tile type to Brick by Column. Adjust the width and height to remove gaps and align the repeats smoothly. Click Done, and your pattern is now saved in the Swatches panel. To apply your pattern, draw a rectangle and fill it using your new swatch. To scale the pattern, right-click and choose Transform a Scale. Deselect Transform Objects, but leave Transform Patterns checked. Adjust the scale percentage to make the pattern larger or smaller. And that's it. You've just created a unique abstract pattern from any image or vector artwork using a triangle-based method in Illustrator. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Illustrator tutorials and creative tips. Let me know in the comments if you try this technique. I'd love to see what you make. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.